Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have come up with a haul video on my channel, and I hope so you all will going to like it. So yes, I'll show you what all products I got from Amazon. So if you like it, please don't forget to give it a like, do share it with your friends and family, and make sure you do subscribe to my channel, and then next to that there is a bell icon. Do hit that so that you will be notified every time I upload any video. So without talking much, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay guys, so first product जो मेरे पास है वो है ये micellar water. That is from Garnier. This costed me around 175 rupees, and this is again one of the good affordable makeup cleanser or micellar water you can say, which is suitable for all kind of makeup. But one more thing guys, ये आपके waterproof makeup को नहीं निकालेगा, but this is useful for all kind of normal makeup that you apply. So this again doesn't have any kind of fragrance in it, or you can say it doesn't have any alcohol in it. So this is suitable for even sensitive skin also. Okay, next product that we have is this Mamaearth oil free moisturizer. Again guys, this costed me around 284 rupees, but again Amazon पे prices काफ़ी fluctuate हो रहे हैं, so you might get it lesser than this, or maybe you get a different price altogether. So this is again one of the good moisturizer for oily skin, or if you have acne prone or pimples, any kind of blemishes on your skin. This is one of the good options for you guys. You should definitely try it. Again ये बहुत ज़्यादा greasy नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा heavy नहीं है आपके skin पे, so you can definitely try this out. This is one of the good moisturizer that we have in with Mamaearth. So again this is one of the good thing, non greasy, very light on your skin, and again अगर आप इसे regularly use करते हो, then you will definitely going to see the difference with it. So this is again one of the good options if you would like to go with skincare product. Okay guys, so next product that I have is this sponge that is actually from Pune store. So actually we get it like this way. If you can see, we get 1 2 3 sponges. Let me see, where is the third one? Okay, here you go. Actually I used it. You can see like how soft is that. Means जब आप इसे wet करोगे, you will going to see that how huge it is. So again this is all three that we get in the box. Again you can see some difference over here because ये थोड़ा सा wet है, these are completely dry. So this costed me around 475 rupees guys. So it's like a steal for you that आपको 475 rupees में 3 sponges मिल रहे हैं, 3 different shapes के लिए. Means complete face will be like done with this. Next we will going to talk about this palette that we have. So you can see this is like so colorful palette, if you can see. So if you really like experimenting with your eye look, so this is an affordable one that you can go for. So this is from Swiss Beauty Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette, and that actually costed me 229 rupees. See how affordable this is, and you get around 16 shades altogether. And if you see guys, let me show you the pigments also. I'm just trying out the matte shade because you get lot of matte shade, and you even get 1 2 3 4 5 around 5 glittery shade in it. So let me show you if you can see. Can you just look at the pigment guys? This is again one of the pigmented eyeshadow, though it is little chalky, but if you know how to work with eyeshadow, you will definitely going to work with this. So this is again the very good eyeshadow palettes that we have in the market, And again, अगर आप beginner हो and you like playing with colors, you can definitely try this one out. This is just for 229 rupees, guys. Okay guys, so next let's talk about one more palette that I got. I think इसको तो किसी की इंट्रोडक्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is one of the good palettes that we have with Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Rose in the Air, and you get around 10 shades in it, in which this one and this one is little shimmery shades, and rest of these shades are matte shades. So this is again one of the beginner friendly eyeshadow palette that you can go, and this costed me around I think 400 something, if I'm not wrong, 400 or 499, something like that. So this is again one of the good things. Let me just show you some of the shades here, and this is, guys, hell pigmented. Oh my god, do I have any? Okay, if you can see, these are 3 and this is the 4th one. Look at the pigment, guys. So very pigmented eyeshadow palette, very easy to work with. So this is again one of the good eyeshadow palettes that we have. Okay, moving towards some of the foundations that I got. First, I got this Maybelline Fit Me. This is like in the smaller version, जो कि आपका 299 rupees में आता है. Again, if you are just starting with your makeup and you would like to build up your collection, you should start with this trial tube, which is on the affordable side. And this is again suitable for normal to oily skin. This will going to give you that matte look, guys. So next product that I have is one of my favorite product in this entire haul. So this is the one. Oh my god, guys, I cannot explain how beautiful this foundation is. If you are on the oilier side, or maybe you are on little like a combination skin type, you will be like amazed by using this product, and you will be thankful to me that I suggested you for this particular product. This is amazing. This is beautiful on your skin. Oh my god, I don't have words to explain this L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I'm in the shade 106 Sun Beige, and yes, this will going to give you that matte finish on your face with a proper hydration. This is not like that matte कि आप लगाओगे और आपकी skin बिल्कुल ही dry हो जाएगी. No, this is like a complete package in this small tube. If you love applying foundation on your skin, you should give it a try, guys. This is a lovely foundation you have. This foundation claims that stays up to 24 hours. I haven't tried it for that long, but अगर आप longevity की बात करते हैं, then whatsoever I have tried means about like 6 to 7 hours. It looks amazing on your skin. So I think you should give it a try. This costed me 750 rupees, this tube thingy, but if you would like to go for the full size, it will going to cost you around 1200 rupees. So yeah, if you love foundations, this is one of the best thing for you guys. Okay, so next product that I have is this. Oh my god, guys, I cannot stress much on this particular product. Let me just open this first and show you how it looks like. So this is how this concealer looks like. This is from Swiss Beauty. That is their liquid concealer. This is how it looks like. Let me show you that. Can you see this? It's amazing, guys. Means this just costed me around 199 rupees, and this liquid concealer is amazing. बहुत ही easy blend हो जाता है. You can easily work with this. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आप लगाते ही ड्राई है, बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई है, ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता. बहुत ही परफेक्ट कंसीलर है ये. बट अगेन आई थिंक आई गॉट 2 ऑफ देम बिकॉज अमेज़ॉन पे मिनिमम आपको 2 ऑर्डर करने ही थे. दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई ऑर्डर्ड 2 ऑफ दीज. एंड दिस इज़ इन द शेड 105 and that costed me 199 each. Okay guys, so now let's talk about some of the fun part. And yes, hope you understood that I'm gonna talk about these lipsticks that I got from Maybelline Creamy Matte, and the shades that I got is 660, that is Touch of Spice. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful color guys. If you love nude shades, this is the shade you should give it a try. So this is very comfortable on skin guys, very smooth, glides like anything, and this costed me 299 rupees only. Next color that I got is 631 Mysterious Mocha. Again, very pretty nude shade. This is more on the brown side, if you can see. Very pretty daily wear color, and this is again one of the pretty color and lipstick from Maybelline. Price is again same, 229 rupees. Third one I got in the shade 656, that is Clay Crush, and this is how the shade looks like. This is again nude, but the undertone is more on the orange side, you can say. So हल्का सा orange tint है इसमें, but पूरा proper orange नहीं है. This is again one of the beautiful shades. Okay, so the last one that I got from Maybelline is this, which is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, sorry. And this costed me around 650 rupees, and this is how the wand looks like. And color is, oh my god you guys, it's so pretty. Look at the color. The color is so pretty, the application is so smooth, wand, everything is so good about this lipstick guys. The only problem is that it is little drying on my lips. So again, other than that, this lipstick is amazing, one of the good colors from Maybelline, and I absolutely love it. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you like it, please do give it a like and do share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And within couple of days मैं Amazon Part 2 भी डालूंगी इस haul का. So stay tuned for that, and until then please do take care of yourself, be safe at your place, and thank you so much. Bye.